Out my boy Nikola Tesla found a formula called the 369 formula. That is talking about the ideal. They're saying that is a key to the universe. Now, the thing is now y'all like, what that mean? See, here's the thing what y'all don't understand because y'all follow an incorrect church system, and when you operate something incorrectly, you look at things incorrectly, and you don't know what to emphasize to find out what you need to know about certain things to truly know what important is for us to fulfill our purpose that God created us. The purpose. Well, here's the thing. You know what I'm saying? That I learned that, God showed me. And it's funny that I ran into this teaching of the 369. You'll hear that, a lot of utilized. Well, here's the thing about you must understand. Now, I did messages about teaching people about what red, white, and blue stands for. And people think it stands for something positive or the freedom of our country concerning the United States. Well, a lot of flags are out there are red, white, blue. And you wonder what that means. Well, I did a teaching on that they got red, white, and blue from Egypt. You know what I'm saying? And Egypt got their ideal red, white, and blue from is the planet Saturn. And the planet Saturn has this hexagon that is red, white, and blue. Well, more likely, it's red, white, and blue in there. And the thing is, but as you see on the Pepsi symbol, that red, white, and blue is red, white, blue. But it has a picture of red, white on top and red on the bottom. What you don't understand what that is that the rulers of darkness do understand. It means the time and space, the separation between time and space, and that is a very important idea to understand the separation of time and space. That as much as time and space is separate, is what continues the cycle that we are in on Earth that limits the life, the life, how long we live. You know what I'm saying? That y'all don't know about. That we don't live as long as we're supposed to live. You know what I'm saying? And the thing is, we're supposed to be living longer, as we know that in the the Old Testament. Adam lived up to a 930, I forgot 36 or something. I forgot exactly, but 930. And the oldest man, Methuselah, lived to 969. They've been living a long time. Well, because of the dynamics of the changes of the earth, because of disobedience, evil people that were doing a lot of bad things, shifted the ideal of the earth that I keep telling you on people that the earth axis is not supposed to be in a 23.6 angle off the North Pole. The axis are not supposed to be there. They're supposed to be in a perfect axis, spinning perfect axis. Well, all of this has everything to do with 369 is the ideal. Now they know about this formula that they're trying to hope that you don't find out about it. Now here's the ideal about we got to understand. This is more likely they have unlocked the key to get the earth off its axis. But what the whole ideal of the Sabbath day that I did research on is to get the access back, get the earth back in its perfect access. That's what the Sabbath is all about supposed to be doing that. People don't know about the purpose of the Sabbath and what outcome is supposed to come out of the Sabbath that God has tried to tempt through people that I did a message on, that he started with the Sethians, the descendants of Seth, who came out of the descendants of Seth? Enoch. See, that's why Enoch plays a very important role, that the kingdom of darkness did not want to put the book of Enoch in the canon of Bibles, because Enoch established trying to pretty much, if you did research, is the Jubilee. They're trying, like the Jubilee, the year of the Jubilee, or they call it the Golden Age of the Day of Rest. Now look up Golden Age. Look up Golden Age in Google. And it talks about the day, if you read what the Golden Age is talking about, the age of rest. You know what I'm saying? No work. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like if you study Leviticus and know about the 8th day, when, you know, people are not supposed to rest on the Sabbath day, and no work. You're not supposed to do no work on the Sabbath day. It's supposed to unlock the power of the divine power that was established the earth, that God created the earth in his divine power concerning the perfect spin of the axis of the earth, that the divine power was created. And the star that or the divine light that shined in the beginning of time, that was God, Jesus Christ, let there be light. And I did messages on that the planets lined up and create the star, just like, you know, the star of, you know, David, that they found Jesus. That same star alignment that found Jesus was the same alignment that Jesus had established in the beginning, that became the light that shined forth at the beginning. That you know, hope you catch all that what I'm saying. But let's get to this 369. 369, as you can see, is the angles of your clocks. Your clocks are, they have, the angle, come over here. You see the clock, the 3, 6, 9. Now, these are very important. Now, notice I didn't go to the 12. Now, God showed me about the 12. The 12 really is meaning 3. The 12 means 3, but that's another message. But I'm going to teach you about the 369. I might have to show that. But the 369 is a dynamic that is supposed to show you certain things about a lot of things concerning a lot of things in the earth, measurements and stuff like that, that all pertaining to a lot of things concerning the how the earth was created, and heaven and earth, and the measurements of the sun and the, you know, all the planets are significant to how everything functions in our solar system, pretty much all the way to, it starts from our solar system to other solar systems, to galaxies, to other galaxies, a certain pattern that if we learn these patterns, you will unlock, you know, ways of going to other places. Yeah, you can go to other places. I mean, look how many planets. Look, the NASA showing you that there's billions of stars, billions, you know, so many billions of stars. Guess what? There are planets, more than one planet in these billions of stars. So imagine how many planets are they if there's billions and billions and hundreds, they say hundreds of billions of stars in our own galaxy. Imagine how many that has more than one planet on it. You know what I'm saying? And imagine all this stuff, and imagine, but we only know about one planet, and that's our planet. You know what I'm saying? What's up with that? Well, the thing is, the 369 is an ideal that I learned, you know, concerning that Jesus Christ died on the cross. Now, as you can see that the cross. Now, my friend Wesley, I'll talk to you later, Wesley. I want to show you something about the cross that you got to find out about it. But anyway, the cross, I found out that it's a key. That when it's a key, it's a universal key, and a universal key that is based upon numbers. Now, here's the thing. Like I showed you the clock. What Jesus did on the cross. You know what I'm saying? The God in the flesh. What he did is now understand that Jesus is the second Adam. Yeah, that's it. Jesus is the second Adam. Now, the second Adam was supposed to have the power concerning that Jesus has. You know, I mean, God has given all power to them, but unfortunately, you know, bad things happen. Now, what Jesus did, Jesus taught us how to utilize the divine power of God concerning what we need to understand to when we receive it, and the power that is given to us, that we can maintain it. See, because Adam did not maintain his power, but Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life that showed us the way to not just have the power, but maintain the power, is what Jesus really showed us, the example in his day and walking with Christ. Now, you know that Jesus died at 33. Now, notice 33. Now, God was showing me this sign, kept showing me 33s sign off of tags on cars, 33s, and 33s in a lot of other places. Even looking at my clock, I see 33. I mean, the 3 3s. And I'm like, God, why are you showing me these 3 3s? And I discovered why, you know, this Nikola Tesla, the 3 3s, about the number 9. And then it goes back to the number 9. The number 9 is 3 3s. It's the ideal of 3 3s. If you take, you know, like somebody did a video, and I found out on YouTube, check it out, about the 3 6 9s on YouTube. Check out YouTube, they got videos for that. Show us how that everything equals to 9. Everything equals to 9. Now, when you go to the 12, now 12 is a number of order. As you know, that Jesus, God had 12 tribes. Jesus had 12 disciples. 12 is the number of order. Now, when order is set in, what happens is, you know, one comes along. Now, God is known to be the Lord thy God is one Lord. Get it? All right. Well, Lord thy God is one Lord. Now, Jesus is known in prophecy as the Holy One of Israel. Now, why is they called the Holy One of Israel? Now, watch this. If you take 12 and add it together, you get 3. And that is the only sequence you can add 1, 2, 3 together. 1, 2, 3. Now, what the Blessed Trinity. The Blessed Trinity. See, is 1, 2, 3. Now, what Jesus did on the cross that is so powerful, what he did, he took the 3 on the left hand, the 6 on his feet, and the 9 on the right hand, and the 12, and reestablish the order of the keys of the kingdom. The keys of the kingdom concerning the keys of the universe. See, he become the 13, because the number 13 stands for universe, and it stands for kingdom. If you do your research that the kingdom of darkness know about, they're not going to tell you why they use the 13 for, but it means king, kingdom, and universe. And it's a key to the universe, that a universal power that Jesus Christ has given us, that, you know, they've been hiding all the time. But what I'm sharing this information to you is to help you understand how the power of what God has given us, the power that they're trying to hide from us, that help you seek after Jesus Christ more, to obtain the power that we are so created for, because we're made in the image and the likeness of God, that we should seek after this great, true, and strong power, that Satan is trying to use this world system to not get you to come after this great power that has been established from the beginning. But that's the message. That's how much time I got, and I hope you got research 3 6 9 on YouTube and or Google. To God be the glory. Him forever and ever in Jesus' name, amen.